Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Good morning, sir. We are from Moradabad Institute of Technology, and my name is Pranav Gupta from Electronics Department. And he is Praveen Kumar and Manuraman Tejasvi and Shakti Singh. We have discovered the problem which is related to hydropower electric tunnels. So, as you know, that there is a casualty where 41 workers got captured in tunnel, and they have crossed 17 days there. And there are so many problems related to them. There is not a connection establishment between the outside world and them. We cannot lead towards them and cannot get any information about them, are they safe or not. There are so many problems like food, oxygen, as well as their clothing, etc. So as they trapped inside the tunnel for 17 days, when they came outside, they asked, has India won the World Cup or not? Now, I'm going to tell you about ourselves. Like, we are from PPSM, Powering Possibilities, Sparking Mind. We also had participated in SIH Hackathon, which our problem statement is monitoring through AI-based remote access vehicle. So we have made it the prototype, which is for working in tunnels, which is AI-based. Now about our product overview. It is unique, as we know that there are so many companies which related to this field. They're first to market, as we also tested it in laboratories, and we are authentic. The problems are the market gap, as we know that there are so many companies which holds the electro power plant tunnels, and they have another different infrastructure which we cannot get the data easily. There are customers which are related to, as we know that no ordinary person can get this product. We have to go through the companies financial problems, as we know that there are so many infrastructure in tunnels, so we have to get the data of other companies, other tunnels, and get to that solution. Now about cost. As we know that there is hydroelectric power plant, then cost is going to increase, and we are going to get the maintenance and other operators limiting their ability to invest in them. Now usability. Usability is only in like rescuing missions and dropping the food items and oxygen and getting the data in tunnels. Now the solutions. I talked about the market gap. We are going to close the gap by designing the ROV, which is going for the different tunnels, utilizing the technologies which is going on trending. Now target audience. As you know, there are so many companies which is using hydroelectric power plant and cannot get access to the ROVs. They are fully on the human power, as we are going to also cost saving because our product is prevent expensive repairs, and also it is a long life, easy to use. It can be used by computers, mobiles, and other controls also.
Market opportunities. The market opportunities, as we know that nowadays hydropower plants, tunnels, we are not able to go them, and there are so many dangerous things in the tunnels. So we are making our rover which can go through a whole tunnel and give such important informations. As regulations becomes stricter and safety increases, there is a significant opportunity for tunnel site guardian to capitalize on the need of advanced technology that can enhance safety and optimize operations and reduce maintenance costs in hydroelectric plants. About our TAM, the TAM of tunnel sites guardian includes all hydroelectric power plants worldwide that require tunnel inspection solutions. This encompasses a vast number of facilities globally, ranging from large-scale hydroelectric plants to smaller installations. About SAM, the SAM focuses on hydroelectric power plants actively seeking to upgrade their tunnel inspection capabilities. This subset of the TAM represents the portion of the market that is likely to be interested in and benefit from the features offered by tunnel site guardian. about SOM. The SOM consists of the hydroelectric power plants that tunnel site guardian can realistically target and acquire as a customers. The technology innovation. As we know that we are making a tunnel site guardian which can provide governed agencies overseeing hydroelectric plants with a safer, more efficient and cost effective, and our rover can provide us real time information, enhances safety, and it can also provide us streamlined inspections, and our rover or AI vehicle having low maintenance, and it can also are cost effective.
Now we are here to see the competitive landscape. In this field, we not most companies like in focusing on, but according to me, my team members is already said that our project we are working from so in hydropower plant, but is now I am also in working from see this project is also will use in under miles like underwater or under miles metros under line trains. So we use in oil pipelines also by some changes, and we also so many uses and sensors to capture the data. Here we see the competitive landscapes, established players, new stands, substituents, potential partnership. Now we see in land canvas, usability issues in underwater tunnel is very high. So develop a simple is ROV model which denotes as remote operate, and we have so many applications and advantages like cost effective maintenance cost is very low, and we use cost saving also, and revenue is this product is very high, and we use this project to guide also the depth in underwater also rivers, and cost structure is research and development for ROV design, manufacturing and product cost also is low, marketing and sales experience. Also this slide also show the revenue of tunnel site guardians, some from selling the monitoring base.
Okay, so the first point, what I did not get it completely that in hydroelectric power plant, what is the need of going underwater?
Sir, when there is a cracks and other harmful minerals which going on, then we have to. It is like a
But
maintenance.
there is no chance of trapping and all things.
Yes, sir. But for inspections also, for
But
cracks.
can your prototype go down, because what you are showing that it is basically it is floating.
Yes, sir,
But
sir.
can it? There is no information or something that it is going down and doing something.
No, sir. Now it is not efficient based.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That is fine. And secondly, is that is there the pitch is not clear? Like what finally? What is the technology finally? Just
It is AI based technology, sir.
yeah. AI means AI have plenty full of domains. What exactly, or what methodology? What the exact algorithm we are fitting in?
Sir, like there is so many peoples. It is also for inspection, like cracks and another
No,
thing.
no, 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 no. I'm saying that AI has a complete method, like a very defined methodologies and algorithms. Which algorithm, which methodology?
My question is, have you done any kind of need assessment survey? Any kind of what kind of information need is there? So you have to do a kind of survey on a need assessment,
Yes.
so that you can design a prototype.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Are you using cameras and the sonars also?
Yes, sir. LiDAR based.
LiDAR base?
Yes, sir.
And how you are going to go for the depth analysis and everything?
So first we are going to make it go deep inside the water. It is not suitable for that purpose now time.
So can all the tunnel assessment be done from the surface only?
No, sir. We have to go deep.
Then,
In future, we are going to make that happen.
okay. Have you have any patents or IP?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.